I again warmly welcome each and every one of you to the inaugural function of our CME session. Thank you so much.
To give her opening address.
We will now felicitate
Thank you. Dr. Parrinter, Dr. Deepak Sharma, Sir G.D. Sharma,
Prasanta Kumar Bhattacharya. To do the honors, may I request
the guest of honor and
of this quest for quality. So this was the part that about Manipur. About burns, it's been quite a years that I have been in this speciality. I've seen burns changing from a very devastating endemic trauma which was very common at one time, and then gradually decreasing and changing its profile in the society. When I was doing my specialization in plastic surgery, at the time flame burn used to be so common. Kerosene was the only fuel. And then India started growing economically, industrially. And gradually we have seen that the fuel is changing. And because of the Ujjwala Yojana of government, most of the households have LPG cylinders. And the scourge of kerosene burns gradually decreased. And now it has paved way to a different form of trauma. Now the scald burns, the burns due to hot liquid and hot food, hot oil has increased. Initially the trauma used to be of the lady of the house. Now there is an immense amount of trauma, hot liquid and scald burns on the children. We have too many nuclear families with little help from the elders in those families to look after the child, which used to be there in previous times. Now children are burnt because they are working parents. They are small dwellings where the kitchen and the living room is only one room, and children get burned because of this. So over the years it is changing, but yes, absolute number of burn cases are decreasing. Like the Saubhagya Yojana of the government, electrification of rural electrification, in which the houses used to have kerosene lamps. Now they don't have to use kerosene lamps. They have electric lights. So that has also decreased many of the burns which used to happen because of kerosene lamps. So burn is basically a problem which is not only medical, it has immense amount of social, economic, industrial connotations, housing connotations. So the Awas Yojana of government has led way to modern housing. That has also reduced number of burns which we used to see it because of unsafe dwellings. So if we have to reduce this problem, which is basically a public health problem in our country, a very holistic approach needs to be put into place, which includes Ministry of Power, which includes Ministry of Health, Urban Development, Ministry of Industry, to take out stoves and contraptions, electrical contraptions which are safe. And if we see, this is the part where I see that how the scope of the trauma has changed over time. Even the management has changed. The National Program for Burns, which was initiated by one of our mentors, Dr. J.L. Gupta, he started this program specifically for burns. Number of burn units came up. Even I think the Imphal unit also benefited out of that program. Many burn units started coming up in this country. And a lot of private sector doctors, surgeons started admitting burns in their centers. So overall the care went up. Then because of the new generation of dressings which came up, that also improved the care. And the concept of early excision is also a major game changer in burn management. And we have many burn surgeons many plastic surgeons and surgeons who are taking burns as their career options. There are standalone burn centers in this country in private sector which is giving a lot of benefit to burn patients.
Welcome welcome Dr. Deepak Sharma, Senior Resident of Burn Surgery.